Pulwama, a name that once sent shivers down the spine of every Indian, a place that the world remembers for the 2019 terror attack. An attack that took the lives of 40 brave CRPF personnel. A place that was once a stronghold of separatists and terror groups. But today, 6 years later, Pulwama is writing a brand new story, a story of hope, a story of unity, and a story where cricket is leading the charge. A new innings for the Kashmiri town, a region once marked by bloodshed, is now lit up by the floodlights of cricket. Our next report tells you why this is much more than just a sport.
Cricket, the one sport that unites India like nothing else. When bat and ball come together, states, politics and language all take a back seat. And now, cricket has entered a place where hope was once lost. In Pulwama, a district known worldwide for the 2019 terror attack, an attack that changed the face of the valley. In the years that followed, youth struggled with unemployment, depression and uncertainty. But this week, under the lights of Pulwama Sports Stadium, a new beginning was made. The Royal Premier League kicked off with 12 teams across Jammu and Kashmir. For Pulwama, it was more than a match. It was symbolic. It felt like an international fixture. And when thousands of people turned up to cheer, it was clear this town is ready for change.
पुलवामा में आज पहली बार डे नाइट क्रिकेट मैच होने जा रहा है और आप देख रहे हैं करीब 30-40 हजार लोग यहाँ पर इस मैच को देखने आए हैं. इंशाल्लाह it's a good start and this is beginning of a new hope for the youth of Kashmir that after years of unrest, the young people who are full of anxiety and depression in Jammu and Kashmir and trauma are getting opportunity to organize a match for the first time, which is a day-night cricket match in Pulwama.
And this initiative is not stopping here. The tournament will spread across districts, giving more youth an opportunity to be part of something bigger.
I think the message is that यहाँ की youth बहुत resilient है, बहुत tough time देखा है और उम्मीद रखनी चाहिए और कोशिश स्पोर्ट्स के थ्रू ड्रग्स और डिप्रेशन का मुकाबला करना चाहिए और क्रिकेट के थ्रू जो एक बहुत पैशनेट गेम है जम्मू कश्मीर में. हमारी मैसेज ये है नौजवानों को इंशाल्लाह कि जम्मू कश्मीर के आने वाली पीढ़ी के हाथ में यहाँ का फ्यूचर है और विद सच इवेंट्स यू कैन सी द रेजिलियंस एंड आल्सो द एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ द यूथ ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर टुवर्ड्स बिल्डिंग अ पीसफुल एंड resilient society.
For decades, Pulwama's image was tarnished by terrorism. Today, cricket is giving it a chance to reclaim its name. A place associated with bloodshed is now getting known for cheers, for fans, for dreams. But this isn't just about fans in the stands. For many young players, this is a platform, a chance to showcase talent. A chance to be picked for state teams. A chance to one day wear India's blue jersey. From strife to sport, from violence to victory, Pulwama is proving that hope can rise from the darkest of times. And cricket has become the baton of change. The stadium lights have become a beacon, leading a new path for a whole generation. And maybe the next hero of Indian cricket could emerge from Pulwama.
Firstpost now available in 9 languages on YouTube. English,
Stands at $36 trillion.
French,
Le FMI, comme
German,
Geschäftsführenden Direktor,
Hindi,
$30 trillion ka karj mo.
Indonesian,
Pemerintah tanpa pemeriksaan.
Italian,
Skali radikali.
Japanese,
4 兆ドル以上も
Portuguese,
por causa do próprio balanço patrimonial.
Spanish.
Beautiful bill.
Go to Settings, Click on Audio Track and select a language of your choice. Be the first to know what's happening around you in your first language. Firstpost.